Hello everybody, Matteo here and welcome you again in my RC garage. Today I'm going to show you a newly arrived RC car from Tamiya. It's the Lancia 037 Rally. This iconic rally car was released from Tamiya for the first time in 1983 on the ORV chassis, same as the Frog, Subaru Brat and many other cars have from this time. Then in 2001, Tamiya released this Lancia again, but not on an off-road chassis but on the TA03 touring car chassis. The actual re-release comes with a TA02 short wheelbase chassis and it's quite similar to the version from 2001. Now let's open the box and see what's inside. As you can see, a complete rally interior with driver figure is included in the kit. This is good. As you know from my running videos, I like to have drivers in my cars. The wheels are chrome plated and have the same design from the full-size rally car. Foam inserts for the tires. The next very nice thing are the windows. As you can see, these are nearly clear and so allows a good view to the driver and interior. So no modifications are needed. But of course, the best thing on this RC car is the nice hard plastic body. For sure, polycarbonate have some significant advantages, but nothing can beat the charm of a nice molded hard plastic body like this. These are the parts for the chassis. The bathtub main part. An electronic speed controller is included. And this is the back with all the screws, gears, metal parts and the motor. As we know from Tamiya, a very well-made manual is included. And a big sticker sheet with a lot of decals. I think it needs some time to apply all the stickers on the body, but I'm sure the result will be awesome. This was a short unboxing. I will upload soon some more videos of the build process. But first, I have to get some ball bearings for the chassis, and then I'm ready to start. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you not already have. I say thanks for watching and see you soon in the first build video.